guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff, and today we're going to be taking a look at this, the Hennessey Resurrection, which is one of just 24 cars produced, and this is even serial number 1, which will be selling for no reserve here at the 2023 Barrett-Jackson Las Vegas auctions. But before we open it up and get into the details of this cool car, first, a quick word from our sponsor.
Life is too short to drive boring cars.
So today we're going to be taking a look at this Hennessey Resurrection, which is obviously based on a 2019 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. But I'm happy to say that there's a lot that's been changed to make this monster come to life. So this car is one of just 24 produced, and this specific car, finished in Summit White with black stripes, happens to be serial number 1 for the Hennessey serial number to produce the Resurrection car. Now you may be familiar with the Exorcist model, which is actually this guy's younger brother. So the Resurrection has 1,200 horsepower, and let me show you where that's coming from. So if we go ahead and pop the hood of our Resurrection, we have a motor that looks a little bit different. Hennessey has actually removed the LT4 engine that would come factory in a Camaro ZL1, and instead we have the LT5 engine from the ZR1 Corvette, which originally made 755 horsepower and is now making 1,200 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque thanks to a series of upgrades, things like a lot of high-flow parts that get more air, more fuel, all shoved into this engine. So absolutely crazy that they were able to do that. You, of course, get some nice custom plaques. We have some more Hennessey components reminding us of what all we've got going on here, and perhaps one of the biggest massive airflow sensors that I've ever seen on any car. So a very cool setup that gets thrown into this car. What this allows the car to do is you get a quarter mile time in the low 9s. You get a 0 to 60 that is around 2.3 seconds according to Hennessey, and a top speed well in excess of 220 miles per hour. So let's take a look at what else is going on in the rest of the car. As we start to come around to the side, we can see we still have actually our standard ZL1 wheels. We have our Brembo brakes that sit on the side. Most of this is left unchanged, including most of the exterior is relatively unchanged. We come back, take a look at what we've got going on the interior as well. You can see in here, the interior is mostly unchanged. We have some additions of various Hennessey components, things like the floor mats, custom signatures, even though a signature here from John Hennessey, of course the owner. So some nice custom touches. This being serial number 1, of course, is a fairly special car selling for no reserve here at Barrett-Jackson. Then in the back, we have our Resurrection badge. I like how very sleeper-esque this Resurrection is, despite being one of the most powerful Camaros, if not the most powerful Camaro that you can buy on sale today with 1,200 horsepower. This is absolutely nuts. But a very cool subtle package. Our ZL1 carbon spoiler on the rear, and just overall a fairly stealthy car that is more than capable of coming out to go ahead and help the Exorcist and remove demons off the street, if you want to take it that way. So very cool car. So that's going to be a quick look. If you're interested in purchasing a collector car for yourself, be sure to check out AutoHunter.com, which is our online auction with cars going live every single weekday, or the sister site, ClassicCars.com, which is an online marketplace with over 30,000 cars currently live on the site. If you enjoyed the video, could like the video for us, we'd really appreciate it. Consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.